Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to remove the rear bumper from a Nissan 300ZX. Like most things in this car, this is an overly complicated process. I don't know why they insisted on doing that, but whatever. You'll see what I mean in a minute. The first thing you're going to want to do is to remove these inner panels that cover the whole rear end of the car, because there's a whole bunch of bolts and nuts you got to get in there to take off for that. So once that's off, you have on both sides of the car in here, there's one there, bolt. All of these have to come off, every single one of those, you can see. And then there's two more on this side. You can see there, 1, 2. I believe these are all 10 mil. They appear to be. Let me just double check. Where is it? There's one. Yep, 10 mil. So yeah, they're all 10 mil. And then what you have to do is under here. Hang on, I'll just jump to the other side. There's more space. So on the side of the car, you have what I believe is a Phillips screw in there. And I'm going to have to jack up the car to get that one out. So there's that one, and there's a 10 mil bolt under here as well. Mine's missing on this side, but it's there on the other side. So there's a 10 mil there. Same thing on the other side of the outside of the bumper. And then once you've got that off, what you want to do is you come under here, and you can see these, which I'll try and show you. I don't think I'm going to be able to get it, but they have a a Phillips head in there. They're kind of like a trim screw, and they got a Phillips head, and you have to unscrew it so the Phillips head will come out, and this is like a grommet kind of. I'm going to imagine if they don't want to come off, I know some of these just spin, you might just have to pop them off, but there's one there, which is missing on mine, one there, and one there, so 4 of them. And once you've got all that off, the bumper should just slide right off. You're also going to have to pop out these side markers on both sides of the bumper, which are just the Phillips head. And then pop them out like that. They slide right out. They might have a plug depending if, I think US cars have an actual bulb and a light, and here so you might have to pull the harness out, but mine doesn't. So yeah, that's it really. So I'm going to go and take all those nuts and bolts off now. I'll show you the process of doing it, and then remove the bumper, so you'll see how it all comes out. But those are all, I think it's 19. Oh no, sorry, one last thing as well. Under the number plate, one last one, you've actually got to take these out. The 2 screws there. Sorry, three screws there, and what I believe the wires to the lights will have to come out as well. You'll either have to unplug them. See the wire for the number plate lights. You'll have to either unplug them or pull the wiring through. So I'll show you how to do that. I'll show you how to do that as I'm doing this as well. So yeah, let's get right into it. Alright, the bumper is off and I just got to make a couple of corrections. So you're going to have to take the license plate off in order to get the bumper off, because the license plate is probably blocking the hole, and either way it'll make it a lot easier. And the little screws I showed that were under here is also on over here, next to the muffler, and one on this side as well. So don't forget to pop them off. That's why I got stuck at the end when I tried to pull the bumper. I had to go on that side. And the last thing is you won't have to pull the wiring for the lights through as long as you unscrew those 3 bolts that are under there. This can stay where it is. As you can see, I've left it on. The bumper just slid off. So yeah, that means pretty easy. Once you take it off, it just slides out. Just watch that styrofoam block that's underneath it. Just make sure you catch that as well. Other than that, yeah, it's pretty straightforward. So there you have it. I hope this was helpful, and I'll catch you on the next one.